Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to use this laptop as a monitor for another PC. Now, first of all, both devices have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and for this function to work, you'll have to open the Start menu, go to Settings, then select System and search for optional features right here. Open them, and here you have to install wireless display feature. To install it, click View Features and search for wireless display here, and once you find it, click on the hit the checkbox, click Next, then Add, and wait for this feature to be added. And once it's added, you'll have to go to the Project into this PC menu, then change this value to either Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on secure networks if you're using a secure network. And if you want your PC to be streaming the media from other PC without being connected to a charging cable, switch this toggle to the left. At this point, we can switch to the other device. Now, to start projecting from the other device, first of all, you have to make sure that it is connected to the same network. Then press Windows button along with K button and see if the display of the Galaxy Book appeared on your available displays list. Then click on it and then confirm the connection on the other laptop on your Galaxy Book by clicking OK. And then wait until the monitor of this laptop connects to your Galaxy Book, and at this point everything that happens on this monitor will be projected to our Galaxy Book. And as you can see, it works pretty smoothly. Now, in order to stop projection, you can either press Windows K on this laptop and select Disconnect, or you can close this window on your Galaxy Book by clicking X. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.